This is pepper. This is pepper tree. Okay. And we just picked the pepper yesterday. You see that this is a pepper, and today we're gonna cook the pepper menu. มีคนดู4 คนละ สวัสดีค่ะ สวัสดีค่ะ Hello, good morning everyone. Gay from asiascenic Thai cooking school, and now we stay at asiascenic at farm. Today, still morning in Thailand, but I'm sure in your country, in Europe zone and US zone, maybe it is still night time, but Asian zone, what time this is? Maybe your time is faster than my time 1 hour, right? But I'm gonna cook breakfast for my life again. For today, I will cook menu from pepper. From the pepper, we have the fresh pepper, and a few days ago, I posted about the pepper picture on my webpage. So we can cook many menu with the pepper, like drunken noodle, stir fry with ginseng or something like that, jungle curry. But today I'm gonna cook drunken noodle because I have the rice noodle in my refrigerator. But you see this, the fresh pepper. We're gonna use this one, and I will show you about how different the white pepper and the black pepper. This is the pepper. You see, someone called peppercorn. You see closer. This is a fresh peppercorn. Okay, but if we keep longer, it will be the red color. Okay, I cut this one, just only one. Cut like this. Okay, and then I'll show you this. This pepper, but we have quite a lot, so we don't want to eat the fresh peppercorn every meal, but we want to leave it dry like this. You see, come here. So we separate and leave it dry. You see inside some black, some red, but if you keep the green one longer, it will be the red one. So if we leave it until it's dry, this will be the black pepper, you see. But what about the white pepper? This is white. It is the same pepper, but just different process. The white pepper, that means the black one, we have to take the skin off. Take off the skin. It's gonna be the white one. It will be the white one. It will be the white one. This one, the white one, take off the skin. The black one with the skin, that's it. Okay, so many people thought this different type, but actually the same pepper with the skin and without the skin, and this is the fresh one. Okay, got it? And then